Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Analysis of Experiment tab and choose Split Plot Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the main plot column. Next, select the subplot column. Next comes the replication column, and then select the variables. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graph tab to create box plots, violin plots, mean and error plots, line plots, and bar graphs. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. If you want more power, the Advanced Plot tab gives you access to insightful, customizable visualizations. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. And if you have 3 or more set of observations, use the Multivariate tab to perform PCA with downloadable results. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.